Hi, I'm Eric with Dempsey Alarms, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the new direct link cell unit, the DL643. As you can see here, I've got a Honeywell Vista panel installed on the wall with my programming keypad already connected. You'll also notice that I have my direct link cell unit installed right above it, just with a few screws. Now, it's very simple. The direct link cell unit already comes pre-programmed from my central station, so all I need to do is hook up two wires, power it up, and test. I've already made my two jumpers. I've got one for power that's got red and black, and I've got one for phone, or for the tip and ring, that is red and green. So all we're going to do is we're going to start with the power wire. On the cell unit itself, it's got a spot for ground and for 12 volt. So my red's going to go into the 12 volt, and my black is going to go into the ground. And then I'm just going to bring my wire down into the panel, and I'm going to hook it up right here to the 12 volt connection for my keypads. So I've got red in, and I've got black in. Now you can see my radio just powered up. Now one thing I like to do is flip this little switch, the SW2, and that engages the backup battery, so that in case the power's cut, it will use the backup battery with my alarm panel, but it'll also use this backup battery. And one thing I like about these direct link cell units is it does have its own power supply that can come and plug in right here, so I don't even have to wire it to the panel. That way, if you're in a commercial application and there's an outlet next to the panel, we can plug it in and use this and use the backup battery for its own backup battery supply. Now that we have power, I just need to connect up the phone. I've got another jumper with red and green for phone line. And on the cell unit itself, it's got with a tip and a ring. The ring is red and the tip is green. So I just connect those two up. Run the wire inside the panel. And then on a Honeywell, it's on this side. I've got my tip and ring here. This is my ring, and this is my tip for phone. So it connects up just like a phone line would. The cell unit communicates instead of using a phone line. And the only thing left is to install my antenna. So this is the antenna that comes in the box. There's a little hole for it right here. You just slide it in, tighten it up. The antenna is magnetic, which is really nice because you can, stick it on the alarm panel, or you can. It's got about 10 feet of cable, so you can run it up into the attic. So that way, if you need a little more signal strength, you can do that. And then the cover slides on nice and neat, and you'll notice there's a P for power light. And then in addition, you have the 4 bars of signal strength, so it'll tell you how much signal strength you have directly on the unit. And other than that, it's ready to go. I just call my central station, put it on test, send a few signals, and you're good to go.